Chartreuse.
It's green.
No, clearly we don't know how to catch pinks.
They don't like to touch shoes now.
It's fish.
Yep. Come up, sis. Ooh!
Quite a few people down there. Hey everybody, it's early September 9th. So we're pretty early down here on the Vedder River. Normally we don't fish it this early, but it is the pink salmon fishing season. They just opened up the pink salmon retention yesterday. So we thought, well, let's come down here and do a little episode on it. We're gonna be float fishing in sort of spin casting lures. A little different to what you would do down in the tidal Fraser River. So we're gonna show you that technique. Yeah, I know there's quite a few fish down here. I was down here last night in the evening. They're just coming down now. And yeah, they should be biting. And we have an incoming tide too, down here in the Vedder Canal around noon. So hoping that we'll see some more fresh fish coming in. We're trying to decide whether this spot is good or not. We got a head of the run, it's a little shallow, a little snaggy, but there's not a whole lot of room further down, so we're gonna try up here. Nina doesn't have much faith on the jig that I tied on there. She kind of wanted to put on little spoons. That tide's coming up, so there's not a whole lot of downstream flow, and I think that's kind of not, I guess, not putting a little action on that jig. I'm gonna try this chartreuse.
It's green.
Nope, it's chartreuse. So rather than let it freely drift, as when you go down a little bit, you want to put on a bit of resistance so it yeah, right, to the float so that it'll flutter like that.
Yeah. But if I put on resistance,
you'll come back to
it'll come closer to me, and I'm trying to keep it
of course,
out there.
but just enough so that it doesn't come back too much.
Maybe today it's not going
taking a while to catch a pink salmon.
I know.
Oh, it's fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a fish. Aye. Maybe you should try. Do you want to try?
Sure. See if that works. This one.
Aye.
Yeah. So you gotta get on top of those fish, right? So that cast was a little different. We got it out a little further out.
And further down.
Yeah, a little further down and a little further out. Okay, clearly we don't know how to catch pinks.
They don't like to touch shoes now.
No, we had two bites.
Time to switch.
Oh, that was a bite.
No, it's tangled.
Yep.
That looked like a bite, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a bite.
Yes. Fish on. Finally.
It took a while to catch a pink salmon.
It's going towards the beach by itself. Just walk it in.
Alright, guess we're going to the beach.
Oh, it's a male.
Want to keep that?
It's up to you. Do you want to keep it?
Yeah, sure. Bring it up.
Huh?
Bring it up.
Yay!
You just got one, and we got the DFO krill survey coming down now. So these guys are counting the number of anglers fishing throughout the river at one particular time of the day. So here they come.
Can they honk that horn? It'll go like this? Anyway, I want to go back out.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go catch another
No
one.
more-
We got
no
one
more-
fish.
no
One
more
fish in 2
shenanigans.
hours. One fish in
I
1.5
know,
hours.
but better than none.
Better than none.
Where's your fish?
I know where's my fish.
Yes, where's your fish? I don't know. It's kind of turning on. The other guy had to bite too.
Tide is coming, and that's definitely bringing some fresh fish. Just kept my first fish of the day, a nice little male pink salmon. The daily limit is 2 fish a day, so we're just gonna keep our limit today. Maybe catch and release a few more fish, and just try not to have too much impact on the resource. Yeah, beautiful early September day. It's warm, and lots of fish around to be caught. Can't complain. Definitely got a lot deeper all of a sudden. Yeah.
See that?
No, I didn't see it.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Right in front of me every time.
Yeah.
Like 2 feet further out than where you are right now.
Yeah. Sure it's not a snag. Yep.
Fish on. I might have snagged it right in the gill.
Oh, really?
I can't tell.
Oh, it is, yeah. I can see it.
I'm gonna
Okay, so,
let it go.
yeah, okay.
Oh!
Oh,
Easy release. Bye. Sorry. Snagging you. I think it was snagged. I'm not sure though.
yeah, it was
it
fell
snagged?
hook on this by the gill.
Yeah, I think so.
So we have to let it go anyways.
Whew. I'm tired. I don't think this one's snagged. Come on. I think it, no, is that a female? That's a female. Okay. Come up, sis. Ooh!
She's out of breath.
Yes, I'm out of breath. Well, we got a limit. We got 2 each, which I guess is the limit for the Vedder.
Yeah.
And so we're pretty much done for today. I think we're gonna fish a little bit longer and then call it a day.
Yeah. we're just gonna, we're not gonna try to catch and release too many fish. We're just gonna fish a bit more and enjoying the sun while we're out before picking up the kids.
Oh yeah, kids.
Yeah, the kids, yeah.
Right.
This is just a really quick cooking session I decided to do after our fishing outing today, because I got this new product in the mail this week. So Catch and Cook, sent to me by J. Simmons in Ontario. Thank you very much. This was a very pleasant surprise, and I was really excited to try this out on the fresh catch. So pink salmon it is. I'm gonna do a separate video on this for other species as well, including lingcod and halibut. So we'll save that for another day. But for now, I'm really excited to try this out. Okay. First impression, this is pretty good. I don't know if because it's the coating that we use for these fish, or if the fish is fresh. But yeah, pink salmon, I don't know what everyone else is talking about. This is actually pretty good. So yum, yeah. Maybe a little bit more lemon on this would be nice. Maybe a dipping sauce to go with it. But yeah, I mean, the coating itself has plenty of flavor, and the fish, yeah, like I say, the texture is great. No complaints. So here's a piece that was left in the pan a little longer, so it's probably a little crunchier. So let's try that. That one's better. So next time, gonna leave this in the pan a little longer. Yeah. Well, so there you have it. That's our 2021 Pink Salmon Catch and Cook episode. I'm very happy with the result with today's fishing outing. Yeah, if you never tried out pink salmon fishing before, this is a fantastic species for kids, family. It's a kid-friendly fishery because they're plentiful. Every odd year, there are tens of thousands of pink salmon coming back to the Vedder River, to a few other lower Fraser River tributaries as well. So it's a great opportunity to get out and catch some salmon fairly easily. In this episode, we float fish for these fish because when these fish come into the river, they tend to school up and bunch up together. So if you're casting and retrieving spoons and spinners or jigging, there's a pretty good chance to foul hook them by accident. And by float fishing, you can suspend your presentation above these fish, so that kind of reduces the chance of foul hooking fish by quite a bit, as you can see in this video. Many thanks to Tourism Chilliwack for sponsoring this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other questions regarding pink salmon fishing or any other fisheries in British Columbia, leave a comment on the bottom. I always do my best to answer every single question that I get on every single platform and my website as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time, good luck fishing.